What's up, YouTube? This is FJ, and I'm gonna do a very quick beware scam video. You know, I have made a number of these in the past, but I just want to help you guys out. So, just the other day, 2 days ago, I received a new email from T-Post, Peter at T-Post. Hey, FJ Sarmiento, with a bunch of question marks is the subject line, and that's how the email opens up. Doing okay with all the commotion right now. And they're talking about a wearable magazine. It's like a subscription-based t-shirt company that sends you monthly t-shirts with like magazine article print on the outside, as well as the written part of the article inside. Kind of a interesting idea. And when you go on YouTube, there's actually a number of videos that have reviewed these t-shirts. So it would seem legit if you think about that, if you do search through YouTube and see that there have been reviews already about this t-shirt. Apparently not so great quality, a pretty cool idea, but a number of people have been reached out, and here I am being reached out to. So he's offering a free trial where if I like it, I can subscribe, and it's like 30 something dollars a t-shirt every month. In my opinion, that's too high right off the bat. But I replied, and I'm like, you know what? If it's free, I don't have to pay anything. I'll try it out. So I said, thank you. I'd love to try one. What do you need from me? And he replies with my own coupon link and subscription link. I set the code to be active until midnight. So it's only a limited time, not supposed to share it with anybody else. This was 2 days ago, so I don't think it works anymore anyway. When I click this link, might as well, let's see it right now. Free trial is up here. 31 euro, not even $31. 31 euro for this t-shirt, for one t-shirt. Shipping is 5 euro. And this is a free trial. It asks for your name and address, size, country, and then it asks for your credit card information, and I don't like that. First of all, I thought it was going to be a free trial, but it's making me pay 5 euro for shipping. So I go back to the email and I ask him, hey Peter, is there an opportunity to waive the shipping as well? And also, can I pay by PayPal? Because I don't want to give a new website my credit card information. I don't want to do that. And his reply was, this is the only way to do it as of now, I'm afraid. So I'm like, okay. At this point, obviously, when someone offers you something free, I wasn't really doing a lot of like background checks right away. I was just like, oh, free stuff. But the more fishy this got for me, that's when I started doubting it. So then I emailed him back, may I ask how you found me? I didn't even think about that from the beginning. And then he said we found you through Instagram. So I did a quick Google search, T-Post Reddit. Well, actually, originally I did T-Post scam or something like that. And two of these subreddits come up. I will link them in the description below. One of them, T-Post, another Instagram scam. T-Post mag, is it legit? Someone asked, and a bunch of people have commented here before saying they did try it. Sometimes they don't even get the t-shirt. Other people did subscribe and they're getting t-shirts, but they are unable to cancel the subscription. There's nowhere where they can actually delete or like stop the subscription. So they end up having to challenge it through their credit card, but it's difficult because at this point you've authorized them to charge you with the I guess the order, with the original order. So really sketchy. Again, guys, if you go through YouTube here and you do a T-Post magazine, a number of review videos, like I said. So this was from 2 years ago, 1 year ago, and they're getting thousands of views on these, 30,000 on this guy. So it sounds like maybe they did start off legit. Maybe they did start off maybe with like a good idea, or maybe this was from the beginning like a way for people to just like to trap people into the subscription. So I don't know what you guys are willing to try. Some of these videos, I didn't watch all of these videos, I just watched a couple of them, and because they were a couple of years ago, yeah, it seemed legit. But now when you read these Reddit posts, some of these are like a year ago, 6 months ago, 8 months ago. This one I think is the most recent one, where it's like 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago for some of these replies. Thanks for this post. 11 months ago. So yeah. Anyway, just wanted to do a YouTube video that was gonna warn people, because most people, I find, when they're reached out, they're probably gonna check YouTube first. I don't generally check Reddit that quickly, but I know Reddit's become more and more reliable in terms of me finding scams, explanations for scams, like the CBRB one that I did, and the other like drop shipper types of videos and stuff like that. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful, guys. Beware. Peter from T-Post sounds legit. They say it's a free sample, but then you have to pay for the shipping, and then somehow they get your credit card information and trap you into a subscription that you probably don't want to keep. So hopefully that was helpful. That's it for now. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, comment below if they've reached out to you, what's happened to you, if are you getting the t-shirts, are you happy with the t-shirts, are you not getting any t-shirts, but yeah, let us know, because it appears that it's a scam. I don't even like the way they kind of reached out to me. It was a very generic sounding email too, saying they like my style, but they didn't really say how, they found me from Instagram, but still, it doesn't really explain why they just randomly reached out to me. So right off the bat, just iffy, sketchy. Anyway, thanks guys. Hopefully that was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.